Hello my fellow YouTubers, Cardboardquality is back with my last 12 Dark Crisis booster packs. So yeah, if you haven't seen the first part already, you should definitely check it out. Got so many good cards. And of course for this time I'm hoping for a Skill Drain and Exodia Necros, because that's by far the most awesome card of this set. But let's just jump to 12 packs. Iron Blacksmith Kotetsu, Cestus of Dagla, Sakuratsu Armor, Dragged Down into the Grave, a Tsukuyomi rare, Battle Scarred, Arsenal Robber, and Blindly Loyal Goblin, and Sasuke Samurai number 2. Shinato's Arc, Ojama Trio, Sisters of Dagla, and there we go, a super rare Dark Flare Knight. Oh, he looks awesome. Nice. Do it like this, and a Fear from the Dark rare. Morale boost. Starting out strong. Whoop. Archfiend's Oath. Non-spellcasting area. We got a rare Great Mayu Garceth. Looks cool. Looks cool. Rod of the Mind's Eye, a Goblin of Greed, Blindly Loyal Goblin, Gravity Ox, Crawl. Ojama Trio, Pandemonium Watchbear, and a rare Dark Bishop Archfiend. Lyle Pawn Archfiend, a Ray of Hope, Acrobat Monkey, DD Trainer, oh, and a super rare Mirage Knight. Whoa, he looks pretty badass. Damn. Oh, great. Nice. And a Skill Drain. Now we're talking. Cyber Raider. Altar for Tribute. Now give me some of those. That's great. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Archfiend's Raw, a rare Death Feral Imp, Little Wingard, Checkmate, Frozen Soul. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yes, now we're talking. Damn, a secret rare Vampire Lord. Wow. Okay, just for your notice, this is American cards, American booster packs. So, wow, their secret rare is not as shiny as the European ones. It's a shame, but it looks great nonetheless. And there we go. Another skill drain. Damn, that's a very good pack. Contract with Exodia and the Solga. Alright. Acrobat Monkey, a Battle Footballer, Shinato's Arc, Pandemonium Watchbear, and a Guardian Bow. Rare. Blindly Loyal Goblin, Staunch Defender. Okay, how many packs do we have left? 4 more packs, guys. Let's see how lucky we are. A Token Thanksgiving, Checkmate, Frozen Soul, Rod of Silence, a rare Dark Bishop Archfiend, a Ninkin Dog, a Deal with Dark Ruler, Arsenal Robber, Ojama Trio, Checkmate, Really Eternal Rest, Mayuga Seth, and a Metallizing Parasite Lunatid. I believe that's how you say it. Lunatite, maybe. Guardian Elma, another Ninkin Dog, and Solga. Okay. 2 more packs. Dragged Down into the Grave, Archfiend's Roar, a Keldo, Shinato's Arc, and a Legendary Flame Lord rare. Raleigh Boost, Falling Down, Sasuke Samurai number 2, Arsenal Robber. Last pack. What can we get? Oh, wow. Another ultra rare cast down. Spoiler alert, I got another one in the first part. Oh, wow. Sick. Infernal Queen Archfiend. Rare. Mustering of the Dark Scorpions, Ninkin Dog, Solga, and Final Attack Orders. So yeah, well, I don't know if anyone's interested in these rares. I mean, the only really interesting rares are my skill drains, which I got 2 of. Boom. So yeah, you pay 1,000 life points and the effects of all face-up effect monsters are negated. Very good. And how many holos did we get this time? We got 4 out of 12 packs. That's not bad at all. A ultra rare, cost down, secret rare Vampire Lord, and 2 super rares, Mirage Knight and Dark Flare Knight. So in total we got like 10 holographic cards out of 24 packs. So that's very good ratios actually. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more openings, of course. Goodbye.